Hi and welcome back to A Bit of Everything. Today I'm going to clean the kitchen and I'm going to organize my cookie jar. Alright, hope you enjoy it and let's begin cleaning. I will be cleaning the stove and the countertops, washing dishes, vacuuming and mopping the kitchen floor. But first, I will make myself some coffee. So please grab yours. Grab your coffee or your tea and get motivated to clean with me. Let's go. Cleaning the sink is very important. It will make your kitchen look clean. I will say that it is like a cherry on top for the whole process. So here I'm gonna use baking soda, as you see, or you're gonna see in a bit, and also white vinegar. And then I'm gonna scrub the whole sink and dry it up. You'll see. So I'm also going to use some uh, Lysol disinfecting cleaner, just to add like an extra, something extra to make sure it's all disinfected. And also right after this, for last, I'm going to add some Cardria spray just to make it smell nice. And actually this is additional stuff. You don't really have to do this extra, but it's good to make sure it's all clean. Actually, the baking soda with vinegar is actually more than enough, because that will kill like bacteria and stuff. Same thing here for the stove, a little of baking soda and vinegar, and then scrub it with maybe a brush, and also you can use a sponge. And voila, it shines. Okay, for the floor, I will vacuum it like I told you guys. And also I'm going to use a steamer to map. Why the steamer? Because also this will kill like any bacterial, and it will disinfect the whole, the floor really good. I actually love it. It will really, really like disinfect the floor really, really good. Okay, so to have fun, I'm going to fill up and organize my cookie jars. Actually, when I do this, I don't know, I feel like my house look like sophisticated and elegant. And by the way, if we have guests coming to the house, it will make me happy. I also will enjoy when they actually come and eat cookies from here. And this is the final product. So here you have it, a clean kitchen, like everything is all in place and organized. This will make you feel happy. My cookie jar. I love it. I just love it. See the cherry on top, as I told you, to see how nice and neat and shiny and disinfected is my sink. So everyone, hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can continue doing more videos like this. That is it for tonight. Bye!